Ximen Relight Hotel. Ito kami nagstay for 3 days. Tutur ko kayo sa aming room. This is our room. Pagpasok nyo ng pinto, ito yung CR. May lavatory dyan, may baso, may blower, ayan, salamin, towel, and bathtub. May provided din silang shampoo and soap, and shower. Here's the bathtub, and this is the toilet bowl. May trash can doon, and ito yung tissue. Huwag nyo naman pansinin kung medyo may makikita kayong mga buhok dyan kasi pa-check out na kami. Okay. Tayo natin yung ilaw. So, pagdating dito, meron dyan 2 bedrooms. May cabinet dyan, may sockets, and may lights. Andito yung aircon. Medyo mahina nga lang siya. And may malaking TV dito. Meron ding socket dyan sa baba. And, ayan. May salamin ulit. Ilaw. May hair blower, tissue. Ito yung remote ng TV. May telephone, table, chair. May drawer din doon. And may sabitan. Here, may small ref. May provided ding tubig, coffee, and mug, electric kettle, and ayan, hanger. Diyan kayo. Tapos ang isa sa maganda rito is etong view. Look at the view. Ayan yung view namin for 3 days dito sa Ximending. Bale, 10 minutes walk lang to from Ximen Station. So, na-book namin to sa Agoda. Ayan. Ito yung buong room. Ayan. Let's go, labas na tayo at mag-check out na. Bye! Starry Hotel. Nababangag na ako. This is our room. Pagpasok nyo, nandito sa may likod ng pinto is yung mini ref. And dyan din nakalagay yung mga towel. And may socket dyan. Ito may sampayan. Ito yung aircon. So, dito naman is yung TV. May table and chair dyan. Ay, sorry sa kalat. Pa-check out na kasi kami. Ayan, may aircon remote, TV remote, tissue, hair blower, cup. May tasa, may electric kettle. So, ayan yung bed. Malaki siya. This room is good for 4 person. Ayan. Nalagay ko na lang dyan sa baba yung price. Tapos ito rin, may provided pala silang sleepers. Ay, may telephone. And ito yung CR. So, buksan natin. Pagpasok nyo, ayan. Salamin, lababo, ay may cabinet din yan sa loob. Trash can, toilet bowl, tissue. Ito yung shower area. Ayan, may lalagyan na ng damit, ng tuwalya. And ito yung hot and cold shower. May provided din silang shower gel and shampoo. Ayan, that's it. Tapos, ito yung kabuuan ng room. Ayan. Mura lang namin ito nabook sa Agoda. Ayan. Nalagay ko na lang dito yung link sa baba. Ayan. That's our room in Starry Hotel in Chiayi, Taiwan. So, dito pala may pantry area and may free water. And eto, hindi ako sure kung free siya eh. Pero feeling ko may bayad. Ayan, meron ditong shower room. Ayan, comfort room. Dito yung sa lobby area. And this is their lobby. Ayan yung labas. Ayan yung lobby. After 5 minutes of walking, nandito na tayo sa hotel. So here's the lobby. pagpasok niya ng room, ito agad ang makikita nyo is yung hangaran. May extra dito ang unan. Ayan, may bolt din dyan. Ito yung CR. Ayan. Bowl, trash can, may ano dyan, tissue. Ayan. Malaking salamin, lavatory, dryer, hair dryer yun. Lagyan ng tuwalya. And ito yung shower area. Ayan, may hot and cold shower, shower gel and shampoo. Ayan, medyo magulo siya dahil pa-check out na kami. And ayan, may free water, electric kettle, tasa, trash can ulit. And may free na ano sila, chinelas, TV. Ayan. Ito yung bedroom. Good for 4 siya. And ito yung view sa labas. Ayan. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa yung link sa baba para makapag-check out kayo. So, that's it. Tara na.